In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can withdraw from Binance. Now, first and most importantly, you can't withdraw directly from Binance to your bank account. So you're going to need another crypto exchange which allows you to withdraw to your bank account or even a card, right? So for this, I'll be using cex.io. The link is in the description of this video. So what you want to do is go to your wallet and then you select withdraw. From the drop down, select the kind that you want to withdraw. So I'm going to be withdrawing some BNB. Now here you need to specify the address that you need to withdraw the money to. So I'm going to go over to cex.io now to get the address of my BNB on CX, right? So I'm going to log in. So here I'm going to select my BNB coin from the cryptocurrencies and then select get address. So this is my BNB deposit address. So I'm going to copy this address. Then I'm going to go back to Binance, provide that address. And from the drop down, you want to ensure you select the BNB Smart Chain. So it will be dependent on whatever coin you're withdrawing. So BNB is relatively cheap and it is very fast as well. So network like Ethereum is more expensive. So what you can do is convert your coins to BNB and then you withdraw BNB. So I'm going to select max to withdraw everything that is available and then select withdraw, confirm, and then continue. So now I need to complete my two-step verification. So my two-step verification is complete and the money was sent, or should I say the coins were sent. So let's hit OK here. Now let's go back to my withdrawal is currently processing and will take a few minutes to complete. So I'm going to pause the video here and return in a few. So my transfer is saying completed. Now let's go to cex.io. So this is my wallet and as you can see my balance has increased. Changes $38. Now to withdraw, just hit withdraw. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to convert my BNB to USD. I'm going to select everything, select asset, and I'm converting to US dollars. Then I'm just going to hit convert, confirm, convert. Let me close that. And that's basically it. Now it's time to withdraw. So I'm going to select withdraw here. Select your destination. I'm going to say debit or credit card. My card is already linked. In your case, you will be adding a new card. And I'll be withdrawing 68.38. I agree and proceed. Confirm withdrawal. So now I just need to provide my security code. And that's basically it. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.